If you're a manufacturer, you need to know how to prevent equipment failures. Equipment failures can bring your entire production line to a halt, causing delays, financial losses, and a lot of frustration. But what if there was a way to foresee these failures and take action before they happen? This could save you millions. And imagine the peace of mind knowing that your machinery is being monitored constantly and any potential issues are flagged well in advance. This proactive approach can transform your operations. For manufacturers, equipment failure isn't just inconvenient, it's costly. When a machine breaks down unexpectedly, it can lead to significant downtime, which in turn affects your production schedule and delivery commitments. We're talking millions lost in profits, repairs, and wasted production time. The ripple effect of a single equipment failure can be felt across the entire supply chain, impacting not just your bottom line, but also your reputation with clients and partners. But what if you could predict these failures before they happen? Enter predictive analytics. This technology leverages data and advanced algorithms to forecast potential issues, allowing you to take preventive measures. By embedding predictive analytics into your systems, you can monitor the condition and performance of your equipment in real time. Sensors placed on machinery collect data continuously, feeding it into sophisticated models that analyze patterns and predict failures. This means you can predict failures before they strike, allowing you to plan ahead and reallocate workloads seamlessly. Instead of reacting to breakdowns, you can schedule maintenance during planned downtimes, ensuring minimal disruption to your operations. Start with collecting data, maintenance logs for older machines and sensor data, like temperature, running time, and error messages for newer ones. This historical data is crucial for building accurate predictive models. Next, map sensor readings against actual machine states using clustering algorithms like K-means. These algorithms help in identifying patterns and anomalies in the data, which are indicative of potential failures. If the algorithm's groupings match reality, you're on the right track to predicting future states accurately. This validation step is essential to ensure that your predictive model is reliable and can be trusted to make accurate forecasts. Also, identify correlations between sensors. Understanding how different parameters interact can provide deeper insights into the health of your machinery. For instance, if high power usage and temperature spikes often precede a breakdown, your model can flag at-risk machines based on these readings. This allows you to take preemptive actions such as adjusting operating conditions or scheduling maintenance. Another technique is using classification algorithms like gradient-boosted models to predict machine states from sensor values. These models can classify the condition of your equipment into different states, such as normal, warning, or critical. Once trained, your model can forecast and flag machines that need attention. This early warning system enables your maintenance team to focus on the most critical issues, optimizing their efforts and resources. With your predictive model in place, you can preemptively shut down machines for maintenance, preventing unexpected breakdowns. This planned approach to maintenance not only reduces downtime, but also extends the lifespan of your equipment. Knowing when and which machines will go down allows you to shift workloads and keep production running smoothly. This flexibility is crucial in maintaining high levels of productivity and meeting your delivery commitments. So, why wait for a costly failure when you can predict and prevent it? The benefits of predictive maintenance go beyond just cost savings. It enhances the overall efficiency and reliability of your manufacturing operations. Get started with predictive analytics today and safeguard your production line. Investing in this technology is an investment in the future of your business, ensuring that you stay ahead of potential issues and maintain a competitive edge in the market.